ये निताई का मिलन है जीव के साथ. This is the union of the soul of Nitai with the soul. You will say why this is Nitai and why this is the soul. Why can't this be Nitai and why can this be the soul? कोई ये प्रश्न उठा सकता है कि ये निताई क्यों है और ये जीव क्यों है? Answer very simple. Because in Nitai the jiva is not bending to Nitai, but Nitai is bending to the jiva. निताई है वो जीव के घर घर में जाके दंडवत कर रहे हैं. चैतन्य भागवत में वर्णन है. निताई इज रोलिंग हाउस टू हाउस. ही इज कैचिंग देयर फीट. ही इज एम्ब्रेसिंग देम. एंड दिस मीन्स द अखंड गुरु तत्व, द समष्टि गुरु तत्व. दिस मीन्स द होल क्रिएशन. ये जो सर्कल है ये पूरी सृष्टि है. संधिनी शक्ति पूरी निताई से आई है. This is not ordinary syllables, please understand. ये कोई साधारण अक्षर नहीं है. पूरी सृष्टि आप जब न लिखते हैं तो पूरी सृष्टि आ जाती है. And he is embracing the jiva forcefully. The jiva is standing straight with ego. जीव को अहंकार है. जीव झुक भी नहीं रहा है नीचे, सीधा. निताई के अंदर जीव भी है ना. तो जीवा निताई से आए. बिकॉज souls have come from Nitai, so in Nitai's name the jiva also has to be there. जीव निताई के नाम में है क्योंकि जीव निताई से आए. And if the soul unwillingly accepts the forcible embrace of Nitai, still Nitai gives his blessings on the head of the soul. His shelter, पूरा आशीर्वाद. निताई को जबरदस्ती से वो जीव स्वीकार नहीं कर रहा है. निताई जबरदस्ती से जीव का आलिंगन किया तो भी खुश हो गए. निताई अपने आप ही खुश हो गए उसके ऊपर. उसको चाहिए ही नहीं है तो भी खुश हो गए उसके ऊपर और अपने आप ही आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं. बेटा मेरा आशीर्वाद. पहले उसको आलिंगन करके फिर थोड़ा दूर हट जाते हैं और दूर हट के फिर आशीर्वाद देते हैं. He becomes happy. He comes a little away and then he blesses. आश्रय लैया भजे शे संबंध नहीं जाए. So this blessing is the blessing of संबंध ज्ञान. ये संबंध ज्ञान का आशीर्वाद है. माथा के ऊपर हाथ रखते हैं, सारा ज्ञान तो माथा में आता है ना. दिमाग, all the knowledge is coming in our head. So this blessing is the blessing of संबंध ज्ञान. And that संबंध ज्ञान is represented by the fourth syllable in Gita, and that is this horizontal line. This is the संबंध ज्ञान. This is Sambandha, this is Abhideya and this is Prayojan. This is fourth, this is eighth and this is ninth. So the fourth, eighth and the ninth syllables, they stand for Sambandha, Abhideya and Prayojan. जो चौथा, आठवां और नवा अक्षर है वो संबंध, अभिधेय और प्रयोजन का प्रतिनिधि करता है. संबंध, सेवा और प्रेम. तो ये संबंध, ये उनका पूरा मतलब आशीर्वाद ही नहीं देते हैं. केवल आशीर्वाद नहीं देते, हमारी रक्षा करते हैं. आर नहीं को कालेर भय आज चंडाले देन. क्या हो
आज चंडाले देन नाम निताई दो.
उसके पहले एक बार देख ले चखे जल. निताई देन सकल संबल. निताई गिव्स ऑल प्रोटेक्शन. सकल संबल, सारा संभाल, हमको संभालते हैं निताई. दैट इज स्टैंडिंग फॉर दिस शेल्टर. आश्रय, जन्म जन्मांतर तक हमको आश्रय की छाया में. क्या जे जे छाया ते जगत जुड़ाए. निताई के चरण की छाया में, अंदर इज शेल्टर. द जीवा इज. एंड आफ्टर we receive his shelter, then Nitai starts his work in our heart with his plow. Cleaning with his plow in our heart. See, I am making double use of this डंडा. डंडे का दोनों यूज है, इधर हल चल रहा है, इधर हल दिख रहा है. निताई अपना हल चलाते हैं, हृदय को कोमल बनाते हैं. ये हल का आंख. This is Nitai. This vertical line, this is the syllable, the fifth and the sixth syllable. Because in the Chaitanya Charitamrita there are 6 tat prakasham tat shakti Sri Chaitanya Samyukam. There are 6 forms of the Lord. So the 6th syllable stands for Nitai himself. In one hand his plow, other hand his club. दूसरे हाथ में गदा, एक हाथ में हल. प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जब वो हल चलाने लगते हैं ना, तो हम बोलते हैं क्या कर रहे हो नीताई, चले जाओ चले जाओ. We are resistant. When he starts plowing our heart, we say Nitai, we don't cooperate with him. We are resistant. I don't need this. Why are you cleaning my heart? So then Nitai has to use his club.
जय निताई.
जय. Nitai अपनी गदा का यूज करते हैं हमारे अहंकार, because of our ego. Ego is the main problem. अहंकार प्रकृति क्रियमाणानि गुणै कर्माणि सर्वश अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ता हम इति मन्यते. Because of the ego के कारण हम सोच रहे मैं करता हूं. निताई तुम क्यों कर रहे हो, तुम क्यों हल चला रहे हो. हमको पवित्र बना रहे, हमको निर्मल बना रहे, तो भी हमका रेजिस्टेंस है. तो निताई उसका भी सॉल्यूशन रखते हैं. कितने दयालु है. निताई gives a solution for that also, for our resistance also. Nitai is cleaning our heart forcefully and we are resisting it, and Nitai is ready with the solution for that also. How much merciful he is. उसका भी उपाय तैयार है. गदा. मेरा अहंकार नीचे चला गया. पानी. गदा. All the main historic demons, if you see in Bhagavatam, they have been killed by Balaram with the club. दंतवक्र को भी कृष्ण ने गदा से मारा, रुक्मी को भी गदा से मारा. जो सबसे भयंकर राक्षस हैं, उनको गदा से मारा जाता है. And the most dangerous of among everything is our ego, false ego. Because of false ego in Madhurya Kadambini it is said our realization remains praiki, incomplete. We cannot see Krishna face to face because of our false ego, ahankar के कारण. Avidya is cause ahankar. And then the first thing was ahankar. अविद्या के कारण हमारा पतन हुआ और अहंकार हमारा पैदा हुआ इस शरीर में आके. तो अहंकार को चूर करने के लिए इस 7वें अक्षर का ध्यान करना चाहिए. हमें निताई के उस अक्षर का ध्यान करेंगे तो हमारा अहंकार दूर होगा. And after our ego is decreased, then only we can do seva. Because we cannot do seva. The 7th syllable is seva. 7वां अक्षर सेवा है. और जब तक हम अहंकारी हैं तब तक हम सेवा नहीं कर. सेवा भी करेंगे तो भी भगवान को वो सेवा में आनंद नहीं आएगा. If we pride, if we do some seva, oh God, I am doing this seva, God will never be pleased with that seva. We need seva with the humble. सेवा भाव के साथ। तो ये सेवा का भाव कब आएगा? दिस ता ऑल्सो अनदर मीनिंग, इसका दूसरा मीनिंग है ता स्टैंड्स फॉर निताई एंड हिज एसोसिएट्स, पैराफेर्नालिया, द द्वादश गोपाल, द gopis they embrace him, his 12 sakhas, and between is nitai, so it stands for his associates also। उनके पार्षद गणों के लिए भी निताई प्रतिनिधि करते हैं, क्योंकि अपनी गोपियों को आलिंगन करते हैं। और ये नृत्य का भी पोज है, ये ता जो है वो नृत्य, डांस, इट्स पोज ऑफ लाइक डांसिंग, gopis he is dancing with his own gopis in that form, tribhanga form 1, 2 and 3 so सेवा करने के बाद अंत में निताई हमें अपनी लीला देते हैं। दिस स्टैंड फॉर लीला, ई, सेवा का फल लीला है। आफ्टर डूइंग सेवो मुखे ही जिह्वादौ स्वयं एव स्फुरत्यदा। आफ्टर डूइंग सेवा द लीला विल मैनिफेस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली। लीला की स्फूर्ति होगी अपने आप, सेवा से हमारी इंद्रियां शुद्ध हो गई है तो लीला की स्फूर्ति होगी। और ये ई है, ये लीला है। दिस स्मॉल लाइन द प्लेस स्टैंड्स फॉर द 12 years of एक चक्र लीला of Nitai. This stands for the 20 years of his Leela moving around in India, purifying all the holy places of pilgrimage and searching for his brother. Gauranga, where are you? Where are you? Searching. अपने भाई को ढूंढ रहे हैं। ये जो एक चक्र की लीला है 12 साल की, और ये जो है ये 20 साल की पूरे भारत के भ्रमण की लीला है, सारे तीर्थों को पवित्र किए। ये जो लीला है ये नवद्वीप की लीला है। This is the pastimes of Navadvip, where he met his brother. Sankirtan Leela. And after meeting in Navadvip, the Lord sent his brother into Jagannath Puri. This stands for the Jagannath Puri Leela. From Jagannath Puri, Nitai was going and coming to Puri. That's why this twist is there. नवदीप और पुरी लिया, नवदीप से पुरी, पुरी से नवदीप, 4 महीने के लिए आते थे। तो ये दोनों का मिलन होता था। ये सम्मिलन है पुरी से नवदीप, ये मिलन का स्थान है, संगम। Both the brothers used to meet. That is why सची माता ने कहा पुरी और नवदीप are 2 rooms of the same house. So Nimai, why do you go to Vrindavan? You stay in Puri only. पुरी में रहो। पुरी और नवदीप एक ही, दोनों घर के एक घर के 2 कमरे। तुम यहाँ तो this is so in E all the pastimes are covered, all the pastimes, and after सारी लीलाएं ई में आ जाती हैं, सारे लीलाएं का समन्वय है। और इन लीलाओं के अंत में हमें वो अपना सिद्ध देह एकादश भाव और वो प्रेम मिलता है। वो लास्ट 10 नंबर की लाइन है, the 10th syllable above the E stands for prema bhakti, and the final prelusion of a siddha deha ekadash bhav, because the leela is actually holding our siddha deha. Because of the leela it is nourishing our siddha deha. You cannot have siddha deha without the leela. लीला के बिना सिद्ध देह करोगे क्या? तुमको प्रेम मिलेगा तो भी लीला के बिना करोगे क्या? इसलिए जो हमारा लीला है वो प्रेम को धारण करती है हमारी। So everything is there from Nitai's name, starting from the Baddha Jiva, the conditioned soul, to Prema Bhakti. At least now you can clap. एक बार पूरे वर्णम की ताली एक साथ बजा दी थी। बहुत अच्छा। आपने बार बार सुना है इसके बारे में, तो भी हर बार कुछ नया। Even my realizations of Nitai's naam syllables are increasing every day. So every time I'll be able to give you a new insight. नया कुछ साक्षात्कार। For that you have to come from Vrindavan. I have been, there is one process which I have been doing to meditate on the syllables to give me the supreme taste in the Mahamantra. That process I have been doing for the past 12 years, but I did not reveal it. Once Mahanidhi Maharaj had come to Jagannath Puri and I told him about the process, but he did not seem interested. So I thought maybe किसी को ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, nobody will understand this process. So I kept it hidden. In all the realizations which I am getting in the Nitya Leela, in the Mahamantra, it is because of this process, single process. This is the cause for that. But I thought people will think it's because I don't have that much of Shastric proof regarding this process which is present. So I kept this Gupta concealed for all these months, all these years. But then when I went to Ekachakra last time, I felt Nitai telling me that the time has come. And there cannot be any Nitai mission, Nitai Gaudiya Math, Nitai movement without this process. I mean, this is the way we will approach the Mahamantra. We will chant 64 rounds of Mahamantra with this process. And actually it is happening unbelievable. I introduced this process just in 2 months. 2 महीना हुआ. And in 2 months it is unbelievable. I told devotees only to do 1 round of this process. And devotees are doing 21 rounds, 25 rounds, and 10 rounds, 5 rounds. And they are crying while chanting the Mahamantra. It's unbelievable. You devotees from Dubai who have not even started chanting 1 round of Mahamantra, they are doing 4 rounds and 6 rounds of this process before the Mahamantra, and they are feeling 100% those who do this process will never leave the Mahamantra. It is my guarantee. Because they will never feel shortage of rasa, taste. और ये मार्ग, it is a very strange process. If I tell you, you will not believe. मतलब ये बहुत विचित्र process है. But the sense of touch, the biggest problem in our body is this finger. This finger, ये उंगली है हमारे शरीर में सबसे ज़्यादा गलत, क्योंकि अहंकार. The point Vaishnava aparad happens because of this finger. You are this, you are that, you are that. Pointing at others, दूसरों को देना. ये उंगली है. इवन हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र में भी ये उंगली बाहर रखनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि हमारा अहंकार नहीं चलेगा त्रिणादोपी भाव में. तो who will purify our ego? कौन हमारी अहंकार को पवित्र करेगा? Only Nitai. Only Nitai will purify our ego. So the main thing is this ego should touch Nitai, somehow or the other. When the ego will touch Nitai, it is like anti 180 degrees. Ami bado dukhi, Nitai bado sukhi. So it is said in 1959, 57, there was a Nobel Prize given to Emilio Segre and Dr. Chamberlain, which Prabhupada quoted in Easy Journey to Other Planets, his book, because they developed the antimatter particle. When the antimatter and matter come together, there is an explosion. So this is matter, and Nitai's name is antimatter. ये मैटर है, निताई का नाम एंटीमेटर. और दोनों साथ में आएंगे तो चमत्कार। Explosion will happen in our heart. So the process is very simple, बहुत आसान है. Take your finger and write Nitai in the sky. And why in the sky? Because in our heart also, our heart is the center of bhakti. In our heart also there is sky. Sky is everywhere. Bhumi apo nalo vayu kham mano buddhi yuch. And when we write in the sky, sky is the most subtle of all the 5 material elements. सारे 5 पदार्थों में से आकाश सबसे सूक्ष्म है. तो वायु लेखन, the process is in Sanskrit it is known as Nitai Vayu Lekhan, like chanting is Nitai Kirtan, Hare Kirtan or Japa, this is known as Vayu Lekhan. Or air writing, in English it is known as air writing. Like chanting, singing, Nitai, air writing. So again in the sky there is in science it is called as the persistence of vision. When you write something in the sky, that form is formed in the sky. Like if I write na, even after I go here I can still see that na being formed in the sky for some time. In the eyes there is they hold on to that persistence of vision for some time. आँख है वो उस वस्तु को पकड़ के रखती है. मैं न लिखूंगा और यहाँ आऊंगा तो भी मुझे न दिखाई देगा आकाश में थोड़े समय तक. Have you heard persistence of vision? It's in science. So persistence of vision, like if you make a agarbatti, still you will see that in the sky like that. You know? So when you write, you meditate on the forms of Nitai being formed in the sky by this persistence of vision, and you meditate on the meanings which I have explained to you. Nitai is approaching the jiva, or you meditate on any meaning which comes from the name. Nitai is blessing, is giving. You meditate on the meaning. वो अक्षरों पे ध्यान करो, वो अक्षर लिखने के समय. And I am guaranteeing you within 5 minutes all the hairs in your body will stand on the end. Money back guarantee. If it will not happen, then I will give up Radha Kund and I will stay in your house and do jhadu. 5 मिनट में निताई अक्षर लेखन से आपके रोमांच हो जाएगा. रोम I am just taking my finger up to write and my hair standing on the end. खाली मैं उंगली ऊपर उठा रहा हूँ और मेरे रोमांच हो रहा है. तो सोचिए क्या. From next time you will come into my room for 5 minutes, we will do it together, then I will speak katha. And your heart will also melt hearing the katha. 5 मिनट हम साथ में करेंगे, फिर कथा सुनेंगे तो हृदय भी पिघलेगा. जैसे मेरे बोलने वाले का गला पिघल वो हो रहा है, वैसे सुनने वाले. इसलिए निताई मणिदास आपको भी ये चालू करना चाहिए. हर कथा के पहले 2 मिनट. That is another good news. Today on Balaram Jayanti, I am I cannot use the right word. In Gaudiya Math, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati would authorize his preachers. So Balaram Jayanti, I have requested Vedanta. Now his name has become Nitai Mani Das, and because he has been preaching Bhagavatam, he wrote a book about Krishna when he was 13 years old, 13 saal. So from that time people were calling him Bal Vyas Nitai Mani Das. बहुत राइमिंग भी हो रहा है. बाल व्यास निताई मणि दास. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. तो some devotees in the flight, they were criticizing me, even my good friend, but no, he supported me, the brahmachari now. but still I could not control myself. From 2001, in my pranam mantra, this name was there. Namo Om Gauranga Padaya Nitai Prishtaya Bhutale. That was my pranam mantra. It was inspired by the Lord and made by devotee by inspiration. So my name was there in my pranam mantra, but only when Nitai wanted this has to be revealed. So in Eka Chakra, this also got revealed. That whole goal in my life is that everybody should chant Nitai's name. I put this request to my sannyas guru, but he had taken rest in the night. So in the morning ceremony, he could not give me any name pertaining to God, Nitai or Gaur. He gave me the name Sadhu Maharaj, which is very good, but I don't have any qualities of Sadhu. 26 qualities of Sadhu, and I have minus 26 qualities. minus 26 of असाधु. जो 26 क्वालिटी साधु की रहती है, मेरे पास minus 26 है. असाधु की गुण है, इसलिए साधु नेम वाज नॉट. तो निताई पृष्ठाय, निताई पृष्ठ, this name was already there in my pranam mantra. This name is not my name, it is Nitai Prishth, means all the 12 Dwadash Gopals or Janma Mata who are dear to Nitai. Nitai Prishth. So I that inspiration and devotees also requested, so that because since we are starting this Nitai mission and we are calling it the Nitai movement, Nitai consciousness, like Krishna consciousness, it's Nitai consciousness, because without Nitai you cannot get Radha Krishna. So first you need Nitai consciousness. And nowadays people, unless you tell them there is only one God, they are getting confused. So in the beginning it is very important to have Nitai consciousness, because otherwise they think which consciousness I will have. आजकल एक भगवान लोग जल्दी मान लेते शुरू में. If they accept Nitai, they will automatically accept Gaur Radha Krishna with purity, with bhakti, with emotion, with ecstasy. निताई को स्वीकार करेंगे तो गौर राधा कृष्ण को स्वीकार. तो हम निताई मूवमेंट की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं आज से. बलराम पूर्णिमा टुडे वी आर. दिस निताई मूवमेंट विल नॉट ओनली बी वन इंस्टीट्यूशन, इट इज लाइक एन अम्ब्रेला. Like Paramadvaiti Maharaj has the World Vaishnava Association, under that all that Gaudiya Mats are there, everybody. Nitai movement is a movement under which anybody can participate. It's an open movement. Any devotee who is spreading Nitai's glories, whichever institution he is a part of Nitai movement. अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति निताई की महिमा थोड़े रूप में प्रचार कर रहा है, कहीं भी रहेगा वो, तो वो निताई मूवमेंट में है. ये तुलसीदास माता जी भी निताई मूवमेंट में, सब लोग निताई मूवमेंट में. The whole world, like Prabhupada was feeling so happy in calling it the Hare Krishna movement. He used to call it because he did not want to identify with one institution. But now the time has become so degraded that even people don't have qualification to say Hare Krishna. If you see the comments of people on YouTube on Prabhupada's videos, they are criticizing Krishna. They are writing such offensive nature against Krishna. People have become so degraded. So Prabhupada told in South Africa to Brahmananda and Garga Muni, you spread Nitai. People are so degraded. So Nitai consciousness, we will try to give Gaur consciousness, Radha Krishna consciousness in the highest way, in the easiest way possible in this Nitai movement. And Nitai air writing is the foundation of reaching the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Even my Diksha, I will give Ashray to those who do one round of Nitai air writing and one round of Mahamantra. And then Harinam and Gayatri Diksha after 2-3 years of 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra and 2 rounds of air writing. Diksha may be 16 माला Mahamantra की और 2 माला वायु लेखन. Because I have found that Nityananda's name, Gauranga's name, everything is present in the syllables of Nitai. Everything is there. And this is not japa. So anybody can do it. There is no extra japa. This is just a form of meditation. And in Hari Bhakti Vilas it is said before doing japa you should do meditation. So निताई वायु लेखन ये ध्यान है, ये ध्यान हमारे जप को बढ़ाएगा. Anybody can take, even ISKCON devotees, Gaudiya Math devotees, this is not japa. You don't have to chant any mantra on your beads other than Maha Mantra. Only Maha Mantra. लेकिन वायु लेखन कोई भी कर सकता है. Anybody can do it. It's an exercise also, moving the hand. And moving the hand for Nitai, if you exercise, if you do, your hand will get muscle. Become strong. हाथ में शक्ति. निताई इज बलराम. निताई के लिए एक्सरसाइज करें. यू कैन रेस्ट योर हैंड समवेयर आल्सो एंड राइट. नो प्रॉब्लम.
And counting on the left.
Yeah, that's why I take this. Very ecstatic. I don't feel like ending. Keep on kicking. And अपनी आंखों को अगर ज्यादा ध्यान करना है तो आंखों को आधी बंद रख सकते हैं. हाफ क्लोज, लाइक इन भगवत गीता में अष्टांग योग बताया, आईज आर हाफ क्लोज्ड. अष्टांग योग में when your eyes are half closed, then you are seeing the syllable forming in the air. At the same time you are seeing the syllable inside also. Some devotees like to keep eyes open, fine. Eyes half closed, it is fine. Eyes fully closed also, it is fine. But in fully closed it is really difficult to imagine. आँख पूरी बंद कर देंगे तो वो देखना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So half closed is the exact process taught by Krishna to Arjuna in the Gita. आधी आँख बंद रखना है आपको. तो यही है निताई ध्यान, निताई वायु लेखन. And I can see all the pastimes. You will also be able to see them by practicing. So our humble offering today to Balaram's lotus feet, we are offering so many things. आज बलराम जयंती में बलराम के चरणों में हम बहुत सारी चीजें दे रहे हैं. एक चक्र में हमारी वास जमीन, निताई मूवमेंट, निताई मिशन, निताई वायु लेखन, and
Nitai teaching.
today we also launched Nitai Telegram. We have launched Telegram today, Nitai, because the 4G revolution is starting in India. Mukesh Ambani is coming with Jio. He is launching by December. Every phone will have very super fast internet for 10 rupees for 1 GB. So we will be sending Nitai Telegram in the mobile from Ek Chakra and Radha Kund. Very beautiful videos, 4K HD quality with binaural sound. You can hear 3D sound. We will be sending in the phone. So the Nitai Telegram, the Telegram app is made by one Russian. He is the richest man in Russia. He started the VKontakte, and he came out from Russia because. So he has started this Telegram app, which is super fast. It is 10 times faster than WhatsApp, and it is having a mobile, desktop, everywhere it is there. And you can send a file of any amount of videos, our e-books, which I am writing, we will be sending on Nitai Telegram. All my e-books will be free of cost, and our e-books will come out very fast now. We have identified the structure, and all our e-books will be on nitai.info. That site also we are releasing today. nitai.info and nitai.info. nitai.info में हमारे सारे ग्रंथ मिलेंगे e-books के रूप में, and anybody can read and search. And also we are releasing our 90 playlists of our 3000 audios of my kathas from the last 12 years on SoundCloud. We are releasing that. All our audios in SoundCloud and all our videos on our YouTube channel finally, and all will be on our main portal nitai.co. This portal will be, I hope I can show you on TV, it is the most costliest portal in the world. The theme This is the portal which will be known as the Nitai movement. And you can read this portal very easily by doing nitai.co, not even com. M is also gone. You know, so many letters. No, nitai.co only, not even going on com. And you will get not only all the slides which I am making, जो slide बना रहा हूँ, but you will get articles like today I wrote writing and personal talking articles of my realizations, and this kind of slides with beautiful quotes of Balram Jayanti on nitai.co, and all our audios in one place. You don't have to do any click, just swipe. Swiping and go down and everything will come. Infinite scrolling. Everything will come in this nitai.co. So we are very happy. हम बहुत खुशी है कि हम नित्यानंद प्रभु smiling. नित्यानंद प्रभु happy है. So many offerings today on Balram Jayanti. We especially welcome our Advait Nitai Das, come from long way from Indore in Madhya Pradesh for Balram Jayanti. He is having very big projects. He is starting in Indore. Also, Nitai के नाम पे बड़ी he has big plans. And we are also happy to announce that from Balram Jayanti onwards, the traveling and preaching more will be done by our Nitai Manidas. Bal Vyas. Sorry if I forget Bal Vyas, but you are always a child to me. Because for the Guru, the disciple is always a child. The Guru does not have to say Bal Vyas. So he is starting his Brahman Parivrajaka. I mean, he is wandering in this world for preaching by this Janmashtami. He is leaving day after tomorrow to Mumbai, where I used to go every year. So Janmashtami में मुंबई जा रहे हैं. इस साल से मुंबई में प्रचार, very huge program has been planned for him. There are 2 programs in Radha Madhav Temple.
Hari Bol.
Already he is doing a lot of programs in Delhi, in Rohini Mata and Nitai Chand. In Delhi there is a place known as Rohini where all these great devotees are coming from. And all these great devotees are special because they come from Rohini. That is why, I was trying to make Nitai devotees in Puri, in Mayapur, in Bombay, in everywhere, but they were not happening. Only they happened in Rohini. दिल्ली में रोहिणी में ही निताई के भक्त पहले बने. Because Rohini, no, you after hearing that name Rohini, you got that Sukruti to worship Balaram. Like in Chaitanya Bhagavad it is said to say I. In the name of सची माता का नाम लेते हैं तो भाव बंधन छूट जाता है. तो रोहिणी बोलने से क्या होगा?
हरि बोल. हमने ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं होगा.
बहुत पवित्र हो चुके हैं आप. So come now we can start this. So I mean I was a soldier of Nitai, but I lost. That is why I want to stay in Radha Kund in Chakra. Nitai का सिपाही था लेकिन मैं हार मान गया. Prabhupada said work now, samadhi later. लेकिन my formula is ulta, samadhi now and work Bal Vyas. I am so fallen that whatever I preach will have no effect anyway. जो प्रचार करूंगा उसका कोई प्रभाव तो होने नहीं वाला है. तो इसलिए Bal Vyas ji, it has been found, if you hear his lectures, he has given kathas on the symbols on Nityanand Prabhu's lotus feet. Nityanand Prabhu के चरण कमलों के चिन्ह, and all devotees are asking that audios from all over the world. and his kathas are so logically scientific. Because of the younger generation, they can explain things in a much easier way than our old people. हमारे जैसे जो बूढ़े हो चुके, हम समझाने में खींचा तान के समझाते हैं. अभी जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया, इतना टाइम लग गया. निताई मणि दास समझाएंगे तो 5 मिनट में आपको सारा साथ दे देंगे, वैसा मैं नहीं दे सकता. तो slowly he will start going to Dubai and other countries outside of India also, Europe, America already.
I have requested him to come to my place to start
Indore,
new project.
start. He is very very eager, because I have seen one quality of Nitai Mani Das. He feels that his sadhana is his katha. He takes it as a sadhana. When you engage yourself in speaking about Krishna 24 hours, then there is no chance of Maya. Everybody cannot stay closed in a room like me. They will fall into Maya. So the sadhana is to preach. So for his own purification he is doing it. So that is what we want. We don't want big preachers, name and fame, but we want, if we do it for our own purification, to please Guru and Nitai, Guru Param, then it will become very pure. It will enter into the heart. So in Delhi, आपको विश्वास नहीं होगा, दिल्ली में 8-8 घंटा 6-6 घंटा there is kirtan for 6 hours 8 hours, which I cannot do. I don't have that much of ruchi and patience.
Degree college.
Prabhupada used to finish his katha in 45 minutes, and I take a longer time, but still I don't have that rasa, but he has.
मेरी कॉलेज गोइंग लाइफ में भी 2-2 टाइम कीर्तन भी मैं.
Even in college, when he was going to college, morning before going to college, he would have a morning program, evening program. College में जाने से पहले. तो and there is a miracle which has happened. मैं एक सन्यासी हूँ, मैं कभी भी किसी से कुछ मांगता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन सामने से उनके पिताजी ने, माताजी ने आशीर्वाद दिया है उनको, जाओ निताई मिशन का. Most kind and influential and powerful father. He is a very big RTO, policeman, in charge in Delhi. He himself came here and he blessed his son. Permission to spread, become a great preacher. Nitai. So one who gets permission of the father and mother, what is more required? It's a miracle. Everything is miracle for me. I can't believe that I have all these monies. Nitai money, and all of you are monies, diamonds, jewels, coming to me here in Radha Kund. I don't even go out so much. Nobody knows me, but still you come to meet me. I'm surprised. So, thank you. I want to stop the announcements. Too many. बहुत हो चुकी. Offering बलराम जयंती के दिन में हम ये सारा समर्पण कर रहे हैं, और मैं भी ये व्रत लेता हूँ कि I want to concentrate more on writing books, e-books and printed books. Even if we can't print them, we will give them e-books for free. We will not sell them. कभी भी हम पैसा नहीं लेंगे किताबों का. I will go to the Ekachakra Bhajan Kutir and come out with one book every time and go there. So इस प्रकार से मैं उनके प्रचार, he will preach and I have to set the foundation for with books and media to give. After the kathas are over, he will preach, then we need to give them something, and that is where I will do that humble seva. So I am your assistant. You are the front. आगे सेनापति है, मैं उनका सेवक हूँ. किताबों को तैयार करना, स्टिकर्स को और DVDs को सब बना के. He has painted a very beautiful visiting card. सबको लाए आज नहीं लाए हैं, तो आप सब लोग इनको आमंत्रण दे सकते हैं. और I wish, and he has decided that he will never refuse anybody. I have been keeping this year. I have refused at least 3-4 kathas, right? Already I have refused. But निताई मणिदास कभी ना नहीं बोलेंगे किसी. इन्होंने व्रत लिया है, ये उनका स्वभाव ही है. व्रत क्या लिया है? His nature is like that.
कथा देने के लिए तो बहुत ही कर रहे थे.
हाँ?
कथा देने के लिए तो बहुत ही कर रहे थे.
With katha, he will give day and night. Somebody call him 12 o'clock. So I'm not worthy of you actually. I mean, you could have got some very nice guru. Very illustrious gurus are there. I don't know why Nita is doing this, but मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे आप सबकी सेवा करने का अवसर मिला. आप अगर मेरे शिष्य नहीं बनते तो मैं सेवा कैसे करता. इसलिए मैं आपको शिष्य के रूप में स्वीकार कर रहा हूँ ताकि मैं आपकी सेवा करूँ. I am accepting you as disciples so that I can serve you. If I don't accept you as disciples, I don't want to accept you as disciples because you are my gurus. But if I don't accept you as my disciples, then you will go somewhere else. I cannot serve you. Dilemma for me. मेरे लिए बहुत दुख की बात, सुख की बात कि आप सब मेरे साथ हैं. इसलिए हम निताई मूवमेंट का ये साहस कर रहे हैं. हम निताई की महिमा, इसको हिंदी में कहेंगे निताई जागरूकता आंदोलन.
हरि बोल.
And in English it will be known as Nitai Awareness Movement. जैसे क्रिश्चियन लोग घरों में जाते हैं, they talk only about Jesus. Take Jesus. So you go home to home and give Nitai. First statement you should start. Do you know Nitai is Balaram? Anybody you meet, कोई भी मिला एक, just directly start from Nitai because that is the only thing. वाणी को अधम मूर्खो जे करिलो पार, ब्रह्मांड पवित्र होए नाम ले जार. निताई ने वणिक को, मूर्ख को, अधम को उद्धार किया और हर ब्रह्मांड का एक एक जीव पवित्र होगा निताई का नाम लेके. तो सबसे पहला लोगों को निताई का नाम सुनाओ. That is why in our Nitai movement we will have 2 forms of address. The one is Jai Nitai and the second is Hare Krishna. हमारे निताई मूवमेंट में 2 प्रकार से होगा सब. Then I write a essay also in the beginning. I am writing Jai Nitai and at the end of the essay I am writing Hare Krishna. किसी से भी मिलोगे सबसे पहले, क्योंकि एक चक्र धाम में सारे जीव क्या बोलते हैं? नॉट जय निताई, जॉय निताई. जॉय निताई. निताई इज जॉय. JOY, happiness. Joy. Joy. But if people may not understand, we will say Jai Nitai or Joy. It's up to your choice. But in every panth, people say Jai Shri Krishna. You know the Vallabhachari people, this Vallabh Sampradaya, Rudra Sampradaya, this Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. The Babaji says Jai Gaur. सब मायावादी से जय स्वामी नारायण. एवरीबडी. सीताराम भक्त अयोध्या से जय सिया राम. जय सिया राम. जय सिया राम. So if somebody tells you Jai Siya Ram, what will you say?
जय
Jai
निताई।
Nitai.
कोई जय सिया राम बोलेगा तो जय निताई। हरे कृष्ण।
चलिए
महाप्रसाद की
जय।
चलो महाप्रसाद